we're heading over to cut some soybeans and I'm finishing up one farm. We're actually going to be combining a little bit of corn this morning since the beans aren't going to run this early. So it's like around 8 o'clock right now. So we're heading over to, we're going to start off with some corn and then we're going to finish off today with soybeans. Hopefully switch over to the next farm. Because on this farm that we're doing, we only have a little bit to go yet. So anyways, then also today, which will be a separate video, but today I'm going to be making the video on the new 215 that we got. So, which you guys, for those of you who don't follow my Facebook, probably do not know about that. So, yeah, so we'll talk to you guys out in the field. What's up, guys? So we're over cutting right now at the other farm. I didn't get much video from the last farm, so I have a little bit of drone footage, so you guys can go check that out. Anyways, yeah, but we should get quite a bit of video here. My drone died, so all the batteries are dead. I forgot to charge the one last night, so I'm just going to charge them both tonight when I get home. So anyways, and it's also Saturday, so I think it's 3 or 4 days until the release of Farm Sim 2017. Looking forward to it. It's actually looking very nice, so looking pretty forward to it. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the day. We'll talk later. finished up this end of the farm. Now we're moved on to this other end of this farm that we're on, and then we're going to be headed back to maybe tomorrow afternoon to finish up, or to work on some of our land. So we're going to try to get as many soybeans as we can done, because it's going to be raining all week this next upcoming weekend. We have quite a bit of soybeans to do yet, so anyways, but we have been kind of back and forth with corn and soybeans. We started off with corn, and we ran soybeans, and it rained, and we did corn for a while, and then it was dry enough. We did some beans and corn, and then the last couple of days we've been switching between beans and corn. So we'd combine beans in the morning, or corn, sorry, we'll combine corn in the morning and then beans at night. So, or beans in the afternoon, noon, afternoon, whenever it's dry enough. So we actually, the one day we couldn't start beans until 3 o'clock because there was such a heavy dew that morning. So we have a full semi. Just switching to the other end of the farm here, and gonna go take that guy in. So anyways, oh, let's keep on trucking, guys. Soybeans down here right now. Yeah, it's in taking a load to the mill. I got combine duty for a little while. I was going to be doing a review. I'm just going to make sure, yeah, you guys are playing. I was going to do a review on the 245, or the 215, a review video today, but that didn't quite work out, because I ended up driving the combine for a while today, and just didn't have the time to make it. So hopefully tomorrow we'll be able to make it, and it'll be up either Monday or Tuesday. Just seeing how much time I have to edit the video. The 25th is this upcoming Tuesday, so since you guys are going to be seeing this Monday or even Tuesday, it's either going to be tomorrow or today. But anyways, if it gets here by the end of the weekend, I ain't combining, we may have a video on it. We'll have to see what happens. But I'm kind of looking forward to the game. I watched a little bit of gameplay footage, and it looks really good. So the reason I want to get it is because, you know, there's a lot of the same features that are in 15, but there's also a lot of for one, there's a lot of features in there that are not in 15 and that are going to be really nice to have. And also, I kind of want to just start fresh. Get rid of all the mods and the hassles with that. I don't really want to, I just want to get that and kind of not screw around with all my mods that I have anymore, and kind of just start fresh and screw around, kind of work in some mods from 15 into there. Some of the ones that I know that don't have bugs on in them. And I'm going to have to take another piece of headland off here so I can turn around. Yeah, but we have a full grain cart, the semi's full, and we're nearly full right now. The semi's getting taken in. The other semi is out of service for a little bit. I have to do a couple minor things to it quick, and I didn't really want to run it with those minor things that have to get done. So. A lot of people are looking forward to FS17, and also there's quite a few people that I know that aren't looking forward to it, either are not sure or are not going to buy it. So I'm just going to let you guys know right now that I am going to be getting it. Am I going to like it? Probably, but I don't know. I haven't played it. I'm not sure what it's going to be like. I've seen gameplay footage, as I said, and it looks real nice, but really you don't know until you start playing it, so. So you guys are also probably wondering, now that I have a 215, if I still have the 7120. The answer is, I do not have the 7120 anymore. I sold it to someone nearby, and it's actually right down the road from here. But, we needed to upgrade because we got a bigger grain cart, and believe it or not, that tractor was actually, that we put the fertilizer applicators on the front of the planter, that tractor was actually a little bit underpowered, and we can't go as fast as we usually could with it without those fertilizer applicators or knives. So maybe in the future we might go back to a tractor like that. I've been looking into it a little bit for spraying. Alrighty guys, so we just finishing up this here smaller field, and then we're gonna fill up the drain cart and then call our quits for tonight. So it's getting a little tough out, but we already have the semi's already near full, so we gotta take and don't want to keep anything in the combine, but we're gonna put stuff in the drain cart. So anyways, I got nothing else, so we'll talk to you guys tomorrow. What's up guys? So this morning we're off to cut corn. So we're gonna cut a little bit of corn this morning and then come back a little later today and cut some soybeans, finish up this one farm that we're at, and then we're gonna take and switch over to some some of my stuff. So anyways, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the rest of this vlog. I was gonna actually make this week into 2 different videos, but I think now I'm just gonna make it into one big video. So hope you guys enjoy. So we'll talk to y'all later. We're back cutting soybeans now. We didn't get much video cutting corn. I just got the drone footage and that was it. So my GoPro died on me and I left the extra battery and the battery charger in the truck, which was not at the same farm. So anyways, but we're back at this farm cutting the soybeans, and yeah, I don't know how much footage. I ain't gonna get any more drone footage today, so, or we'll see, just depends. But anyways, yeah, we just have a bunch of, we have this field, and then there's a field right over there, and then 2 fields around the back that we have to get done yet on this land, and then we're headed back closer to the home farm to cut some more soybeans. So they're saying Monday or Tuesday and Wednesday we're supposed to get a crap load of rain, and I'm like, we can't get any more rain. So I hope we luck out and not get any more rain. So for one, we don't need it no more, and for 2, there's no place for 1.5 inches, which that's what they're predicting. 1.5 inches. There's nowhere for the 1.5 inches to go. Most of the ditches are already filled to the top, and a lot of the fields have water standing in them. And I'm like, yeah, no, it ain't going anywhere. So it's gonna be interesting, but we'll get it done. What's up, guys? So just unloading here. This is gonna wrap up the day. I didn't get much video today. We were really busy. We were switching farms, so actually I'm at some ground right now. We're just trying to finish up this one field here, so, and then we just got a little small piece back in some woods, and we will be done with this area. So, or this field, or this farm here that we switched to. So then we'll be off down the road a little bit, work on some more, and it's gonna rain a lot, which I don't want. So anyways, I'm gonna finish up this truck here, and we'll talk later.